Let's go see this winching son of a bitch.
Charge phone.
What set's this?
It's gonna be my third set.
Okay. He moans like a motherfucker.
You're not doing a video, are you?
No, I'm just trying to get a good shot, but it's so fucking hard because you're so ugly.
Fucking shut up, fucking ginger.
Listen, mate, I'd rather be ginger. I can dye my hair. You got to go to a plastic surgeon, mate. Go on, get yourself up there. Look at that fucking ass. Nandra keeps losing. He's got to cart that thing around all the time on the tennis court.
I swear you're one of the fucking Spike Lee.
Oh yeah, DVD. Oh, come on, DVDs, good. New copy, good copy. Good copy, Roger. Okay, we'll be back when you see him moan some more. This is his second round.
Flattened me.
He's a fucking whinging son of a bitch.
Shut the fuck up.
Right to the top, Rog. Right to the top.
Party Friday.
Oh, looking forward to it. Big time.
No trouble.
What?
No trouble, bring your own fanny.
Yeah, what sort of party is that? Hey, for fuck's sake, mate, come on, no trouble.
See the humour here that we have in DP. You fucking tripped over your own fucking tongue there, didn't you, Roger?
DVDs!
DVDs! And they're not even a good copy.
Paying time.
You pay in time, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That's a deeper squat, Rog. Come and sit that down. That's it. 10 push-ups, Rog.
I know. I've got my hair up.
Six, 7,
9,
8,
10.
Into doubles. Halfway. Last 10. Back into singles. How'd you find that?
Oh, lovely. Good DVDs.
This one will be available.